Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make medium rare sirloin steak. First, ensure your sirloin is completely dry. This is crucial for a good sear. Next, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Let the steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly. Finally, preheat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Now, let's get that incredible crust. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, to your screaming hot pan. Carefully place your sirloin steak in the pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, then flip and sear for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side. You're aiming for a beautiful, deep golden brown crust. Don't be afraid to press down gently to ensure maximum contact with the pan. To finish, reduce the heat to medium. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter, a smashed garlic clove, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter for 1 to 2 minutes. Cook until an instant-read thermometer inserted into the thickest part registers 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. This ensures juicy, tender results every time. The final, crucial step is resting. Transfer your beautifully cooked sirloin to a cutting board and let it rest undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Skipping this step can result in a dry steak. Once rested, slice your sirloin against the grain into desired portions and serve immediately. Enjoy your perfectly cooked medium rare sirloin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.